Skincare girlies, you went to the market and you bought simple moisturizer. Wow, it's cheap, it's affordable. They said it's lightweight. Let's see. Like, it's lightweight and it's okay. And you proceed to go ahead to use it, right? You dab, 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 dab. Ouch. Put it all over your face. You rub it in. Wow, you can feel it feeling nice and smooth on your skin back. Don't forget your neck as well. You rub it on your neck. And yeah, you're ready to conquer. Only for you to notice that, Ewo, Mogbe, Jesus, he's burning. He's burning, no. Somebody help me. But seriously, this is really burning. God, what have you done? What have I done? What did I die? I hope it's not fake, oh. No, it's not fake. Hello, I'm Dark Emma. This is Dark Emma, and welcome to this tiny corner of my kitchen. Not really tiny corner of my kitchen, but welcome to this tiny corner of my kitchen. And today I'll be talking about simple moisturizer. Now, a lot of us skincare enthusiasts have heard about this moisturizer and a lot of simple products. Yeah, me, I use a lot of simple products because, well, number one, it's affordable and cheap, and I believe that it's the only thing that my skin does not react to. Not really sure, but yeah, my skin does not react to. Now, I started using tretinoin last week. I have a video about it on YouTube. I'll leave the link in the description. I'll leave the link in the description. I started using tretinoin last week, and I said that maybe when I decided, I was advised by everybody on the internet that since I'm using tretinoin, I have to use a moisturizer, and not just any moisturizer. I have to use a very good moisturizer. And now, with the current state of the economy everywhere in the world, not just Nigeria, things are expensive. And I was using Cetaphil before, but when I saw the price, when I went to the market just now, Jesus Christ, I had to run for my dear life and buy something that was cheap. Yeah, one of the pros of this moisturizer is the fact that it's very cheap. I got it 5,000 over here. If you go to the market, maybe it will be cheaper there, I don't know, but take note, let it not go and be too cheap so that you're not going to buy fake by mistake. So, story time. I went to the market, I went to the shop, I bought this moisturizer, and I went ahead to use it that very same day. Me now, I moisturize everywhere, moist. I decided to pack it on my skin. My father, Jesus, when I put this thing on my face, it was stinging a lot, like it was burning me. I was like, did I buy fake? 5k gone in this economy. How? I have to check. Okay, it's not fake, but why is this stinging? And that's when I found out that there's a way you actually use this moisturizer. Now, if you are watching this video because you had this same issue and you're wondering, did I buy fake, or why is this stinging me? Is there something wrong? Well, you're actually at the right place, and I'm going to use this time before I continue to beg you, to implore you, to genuflect for you, to ask you that you should please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment on what I should talk about next or what I should do next. Because I'm actually going on a series of my skincare journey. I dropped a video last week about using tretinoin. The link is in the description. And now I'm dropping a link on my moisturizer. I think maybe next week I'll drop my progress journey on tretinoin. Yeah, I'm already feeling the effects, but that will be for next week. So subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, and turn on your post notification. I'm going to wait for maybe a little bit of time so that you do that. Have you done that? Have you subscribed? Please now, subscribe. Help me grow, I beg. Thank you very much. Now, back to simple moisturizer. Now, the pros of this moisturizer is the fact that it is lightweight. It's lightweight. it doesn't leave any dewy finish on the skin. Like, it's not dewy, it absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving your skin feeling soft and nice. And it's also very, very cheap compared to other moisturizers that I have seen. Yeah, that's how it is. The cons though is the fact that I've used simple products, and this is the first one I'm seeing that actually has fragrance. Why does it have this scent? I was wondering, like, simple. Did I buy fake? But no, I didn't actually buy fake. It just has that fragrance, and I don't mind it though. Another problem with this moisturizer is the fact that it burns. The minute you put it on your skin, you are feeling the burning immediately. It's stinging you immediately, and I believe that's the reason you are watching this video. Now, I went online, I checked. I didn't buy fake. No, this is not fake. But I made a mistake of applying too much on my skin immediately. So the best way to actually use this moisturizer is, if you are introducing it to your skin, like if you are introducing any new product, you're supposed to use a pea-size amount. Now, this might not be your definition of a pea-size, but this can actually be enough. Just keep it everywhere. Just tap it like this. Maybe this is not actually enough. Just add a little bit, but tap it. Then you roll it into your skin. Funny enough, as little as that amount is actually enough. Like, it will cover everywhere. Don't forget your neck. Like, rub it on your neck, moisturize your neck, your forehead, your nose. Now, take note that when you are applying this moisturizer on your skin, avoid your eye area. You're supposed to use an eye cream for that. I'll make a video if I buy, because I don't think I need it. I'm always indoors most of the time, but if I buy, I'll make a video. You're supposed to use your eye cream or your eye serum for this place, because majority of the burning that you feel is usually from here and here. Me, I feel burning here as well. I don't know why. So rub your moisturizer on your skin, and that will probably be enough. After your moisturizer, you use your sunscreen. Apply your sunscreen, and you are good to go. Now, I'm using tretinoin, and I've started feeling the effects of tretinoin on my skin. Like, I've started noticing some flakings and the rest. So I really need my moisturizer with me all the time, every time. That's why I have this moisturizer. I carry it with me everywhere. Once I don't notice, say, something is going on, I just apply my moisturizer immediately. So if it's stinging, if it's burning, the secret to using it is make sure you apply little. Introduce it the way you introduce a new active product to your skin. Introduce it to your skin that way. Although simple product does not actually have any active product on the ingredients. So I wonder, why is it burning on the skin? But I don't know. Maybe they have their reason why, but just use a pea-size amount and use it in moderation. That way it will not burn you. At least that's what I think of. Because even it works for me that way. It's only when I pack it on my face, I see it's body cream. That's when I start feeling the burning. But if I use a pea-size amount, it's okay. It doesn't cause any problem for me. Now, I also saw something on TikTok where someone was saying that simple moisturizer makes people black. See, if I can be as black as this, please, is there any other one that I will use that will turn me to this? Because I actually want my melanin to look rich and supple and nice and popping. That's it. So if people are complaining that simple moisturizer makes them black, then no, I said to God, because if that is it, it's a miracle worker for me. Like, it is what I want. Now, that's about that. This is my moisturizer for now. I'll make another video next week concerning my progress and how far I've gone with tretinoin and how I'm using it. Don't forget to subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that when I drop that video, you'll be among the first people to get it. Thank you for watching to this point. Like, This is actually one of the funniest videos I've made. If I even tell you everything that happened so far before I got to this point, you will laugh, but I don't want to talk too much because I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. So thank you for watching. Please and please subscribe until I see you next time. Alright, bye. Till next time.